Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a Canon Pixma MG5753. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So to start with, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which you can be returned to with this button if you're not already there. From here, we're going to use the up and down arrows to get ourselves to this screen, which has setup on the right hand side. And once we're here, we press the button underneath setup. And from here, we're going to go two to the right. And here we have estimated ink levels. So we press OK to go in there. And here we have a visual representation of the magenta, black, yellow, photo black, and cyan ink cartridges, and how much ink your printer thinks it has in them. On my cyan, you can see the printer thinks it's running low, so we've got that little exclamation mark up there. If you're in doubt as to what cartridges you need for your printer, you've got the ink number option here. Press on that. You've got a full list, all the different cartridges. Now, if you're watching this video due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, it's actually unlikely to be down to the ink levels of the cartridges. More likely cause is that there's like a small blockage within the printer's printhead, which is separate from the cartridges within the printer. If you're experiencing this, I'd recommend checking out our video on cleaning cycles and test pages, which you can find linked at the top of the screen, or from our YouTube channel directly. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.